Hello everyone, and welcome to Mary's Creative Decor. If you're looking for ideas on home decor, crafts, home repairs, and updates, as well as furniture design, you're in the right place, so stay tuned. Hello everyone, and this is my project for this week. I'll be refinishing this dresser and also a matching nightstand. Now this dresser, I did pick it up from Facebook Marketplace and it was about $20. Now here on the side there is some repair work that needs to be done on the veneer. The top is pretty good and there's a few other gouges that I will have to fix. And of course, it needs to be cleaned. Now I really love the lines on this piece. It doesn't have hardware, but it has clean lines and I think will make a really nice piece. Okay, I have placed my dresser on its side. As you can see, there's a piece missing underneath. And on the other side, the piece is damaged and coming out. So I have to take that out and replace those pieces. And here is the nightstand that I got. I got this from the Goodwill for $5. Now it does have the same kind of design as the dresser. So we're going to start by taking the drawers out of the nightstand as well as the dresser. But it's still kind of difficult to open, so I'm going to try some pulls that will work on this piece. Now I'm just going to use my hammer and knock the one piece out. And I'm going to save that piece to measure to cut two more pieces to go in its place. I'm using a 2x4 because I want mine to be a little bit bigger because I will be putting legs on the dresser. I'm going to take the piece of wood that I broke off and I'm going to use it for a template to cut my 2x4s. I'm cutting two pieces, one for either side. Now, because I don't have a saw at home, my husband is away and he has it with him. I will be using my miter saw box to cut this, so it will take a moment, but we're going to get it done. Now that I have my pieces of wood cut, I'm going to start washing down both my dresser and my nightstand. I'm done washing the furniture and take a look at the water. It was really nasty. So I'm going to change my water, rinse my furniture, do my patchwork, and I'll be right back. Okay, I took the handles off my nightstand and they were made to inset. So because of that, there are holes in the nightstand, which I have packed with wood filler. But in the interim, let me show you what paint we'll be using today. we'll be using a black paint by Diamond Hard. I've already added paint to my tray and I have my paintbrush. This is a 3-in-1 paint, but I did sand the top of the dresser because I did want it smooth, as well as the top of the nightstand because it has a laminate top. So I'm taking a brush and I want to start in all of these grooves. All my intricate details have been painted and now I'm ready to roll. This paint is really awesome. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it looks blue, goes on blue, but it turns black right away. I'm just going over for the second time, using up the last of the paint in my tray. And here on the side, this is where I repaired the laminate. I still wasn't quite happy with it, so I added a little bit more wood filler and we'll sand it on tomorrow and paint it and touch up any other paint that's needed. Okay, I have sanded the side of the dresser where I filled in, and now I'm just painting that area. Now the area on the nightstand drawers, I'm about to sand it smooth for the second time. Now that I have sanded my drawers smooth to the touch, I am just going to wipe away all the dust and debris before I begin to paint. Okay, funny story I have to share with you. I opened up this paint and closed it up. I'm running ragged looking for my black paint, and then I read it. This is my black paint. It just looks blue. So this paint again is freaky. This is definitely black. It goes on blue and turns black. I just wanted to share that with you before I started to paint. Okay, I have the first coat of paint on my drawer fronts, and now I'm just going to go and put a second coat on the side of the dresser. And here I'm going to turn my camera and add another coat or the second coat to my nightstand. Now I brought my nightstand inside so I could turn it on its side. I'm taking the floor protectors off the bottom so that I can add my legs. Now that I'm ready to apply my back legs, I see that there is a problem. There is not enough wood across the back side, so I have to cut a piece of wood to fill that space so that there will be enough room for me to screw in my legs. Okay, so I cut a piece of wood the size of the opening, and I also did the angle so that it would fit in between. So I'm just gonna clamp it, glue it, screw it, and add my legs. Okay, my legs are attached, and we're gonna set it upright and start to work on our drawers. Now we're ready to add the handles to the drawers. And I'll also add the hardware to all my drawers for my dresser as well. And here's a quick look at what the hardware looked like. And now we're just going to line each of the drawers. Again, I'll line the drawers to the dresser as well. Now I'm back outside in the garage. I have cut the 2 pieces of wood, and I did use a 2x4 to support the sides of my dresser. I used the 2x4 because I am going to be adding legs to the dresser. After I glued and screwed the support to the side of the dresser, I'm adding my legs to the bottom of the dresser. It's a bit out of focus, which I didn't realize, but that's what I'm doing. And once I'm done, I will set my dresser upright, add the drawers, and we'll be ready for the reveal. I am back, and both my dresser and nightstand is done. Absolutely gorgeous. I know this is not an ideal place to show off these lovely pieces, but I don't have a workshop, so I'm utilizing my garage for now. Once again, the two pieces are not a set. I purchased the dresser from Facebook Marketplace for $20 and the nightstand from the Goodwill for $5, and they work out perfectly together as a set. Now here's a closer look at the dresser. It has 7 drawers. Originally, the drawers had no pulls. You opened it by pulling underneath. I found it very difficult to do, so I found these pulls on Amazon. Now these pieces are from the 70's, so they were a bit low. So I found these legs from Amazon, and I purchased them because I thought they would go really good with the handles. They are 5 inches, and this is to give the dresser a little height. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below for the pulls, the legs, and the paint in the description box below. And here's a quick look at the inside of the dresser and the nightstand. I added a beautiful gold and black liner. Simply gorgeous. Like I said before, I need your help. So make sure you comment and give me a thumbs up. Let me say thank you all for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.